Okay, for beginners, there is a technique called park and draft that is believed to be easier for some beginners. So, park and draft, as the name suggests, that you don't spin like a twisting, drafting in one fluid motion. Instead, you break it into different stages. Let's say the first step of a park and draft, make sure again the hand that holding the fiber, you make sure you pinch the end where the twist stops, and then make sure your fiber is twist free. Okay, so hold it and then twist. Now you flick your spindle the clockwise as you've been doing, and then you just let it twist, and then just let it twist, and then you can see there are lots of twists in this bit, so it's full of energy. You can see it's full of energy. Now you park it. The second step, you park it. You can park it under your armpit, or you can park it between your knees, whichever you prefer. So I'll show you here. Once I parked it, then I can swap hands. Now here's the key again, is to keep the twists at bay. Don't release the twist until you are ready. So I'm swapping hands, pinching. The twist is still in there, it's still twist free. Then I'm drafting. Drafting essentially just pulling out the fiber. So you pull it out. Here, make sure, I have seen some beginners, they are stroking the fiber. They're not pulling. You don't want to stroke the fiber, because if you do, you will felt it. So hold it. Don't hold it too close, because the fiber has staples. Like when the sheep will get cut off, it has staples. Depends on different type of sheep, and the staple lengths are varied. With this one, it has medium staple lengths, so you don't want to go too close. You don't want to go too far, otherwise it will break. So a little middle distance, give it a tug, see if it goes. See, if it doesn't draft out easily, then you can go a little bit back. Okay, just pull, gently pull back. This is called drafting. Gently pull back. Here you can see that fiber is almost breaking, so that means I need to pinch here again. And now I can release this hand to let the twist go up. So I release, you can see the twist going up, the fiber holding it together. There's still lots of energy, so that means that I can pinch and then draft out again here. And then I release this hand, and then you can see the twist go up there, and then you can go again, or you can wind on. When you wind on, make sure the twists don't go up to the loose fiber, and flick it off and over to under one to wind on, over to under one, and then you can be ready to go again. Now hold it, let the twist build up like this. You see, very energetic here. And then park, swap hands, draw out, drafting, that's drafting, draw out fiber, pinch, release this hand, let it go up, and check there's still some energy left. So pinch, draft again, and pinch, release. So this is park and draft. Okay, and we walk back. So this is the principles of spinning. Essentially, you draft out fiber, you twist and draft out fiber. The twist will hold the fiber together, and that makes yarn. Okay, so that's park and draft. Practice makes it perfect. If you practice a lot, once you get the hang of it, and that's when you can transition into spinning like a drafting and twisting all in one go. Okay, so that takes practice. Don't be discouraged if your first effort is nothing like this. My first yarn was awful to look at. So just be patient with yourself and practice often. And in no time at all, you will be spinning beautiful yarn. Okay, thank you.